I've circled here your freshwater connection. You will plug in a standard garden hose in order to provide the trailer with fresh water. There'll be some valves that will be in the closed position, and that's indicated as you can see here. And the open position is when the valve is in line, as you can see here, with the plumbing itself. The first thing you'll want to do after you plug in the fresh water is to turn on this green valve here, and that allows the fresh water to start into the trailer. I'll actually do a walkthrough from the video that the gentleman who owned it before you made. When you open up the door, you have your blue water pump. Make sure to plug that in. To the left of that is your hot water heater, and make sure that is plugged in as well. I already showed you the green valve there to the left. That should be turned on. The fresh water then comes up this line, that very top blue line, and travels all the way to the right. Once it does that, the fresh water will have two options. It can go and feed your fresh water tank, or you can bypass that tank and feed the system directly, and I'll show you how to do that now. If you're going to feed the system directly, you'll want to have this valve off as shown here, and then the valve right below it, you'll want to turn that on. So the valve that's circled, make sure it's off, but then the valve below it, you'll want to turn that to the left and make sure it's parallel with the blue plumbing. This valve here that's currently on, you will want to close that valve so it's perpendicular with the blue plumbing. And when you do both of these things, this will allow the fresh water to bypass the fresh water tank and go directly into the water pump. All of the other plumbing lines should be turned on and the trailer will be fully functional.